Hello, and welcome to the YouTube channel for your favorite English instructor, Ashan R. Hampton. I taught in colleges and universities for a number of years, over 20 years, so it's Professor Ashan R. Hampton. In addition to this channel, you can find me at www.arhampton.com or mcwwisdom.com. If you are a student, parent, or teacher, if you are a homeschooler, then you want to head to the website easyedits.net. I have a lot of resources there for you, in addition to the videos on this channel. But if you are a professional in the workplace or you are applying for jobs and you want to boost your resume, head on over to www.arhampton.com. I provide pro writing skills training, online writing classes for personal and professional development. So when it comes to writing, improving your writing and advancing your career or getting an A on your paper, you have come to the right place. Thank you so much and happy learning.